Hey guys, welcome to the latest of our recent trend of unboxing videos. To my right is Polaris's new 850 Switchback. The look of this sled and this chassis has been around since 2015, but this is the first couple that we've had trickle in with the new 850 Patriot. This engine is now officially the most powerful two-stroke you can get in a snowmobile, and it's certainly Polaris's most powerful they've ever put in a snowmobile. Don't really have any hard data on horsepower figures or anything yet. What we do know is a lot of what they've done is to improve reliability, longevity, just make sure that they're making the best engines possible to put in their sled. They've done that by adding material places. So the crank is now 3 pounds heavier than the current 800. The pistons, they've added material to the skirt, added 3 millimeters of material to the dome to help dissipate heat. The actual roller bearings in the piston are now larger diameter, stronger, again, more material. They've improved the bearing design on the crank and have gone all out on making this thing as strong as possible. The cases are now actually sand cast instead of being die cast, so you've got some really high level stuff done on these engines. The 850, by all accounts, is just more linear, more powerful, even more top end, and it's just supposed to be an absolutely killer engine. So really looking forward to showing you guys what it's all about. We do plan a follow up to this with some actual on snow stuff. Should be a lot of fun, so hopefully we'll get the conditions that are going to allow us to do that sometime very, very soon. So we'll keep looking for snow and get you updated as soon as we possibly can. Thanks.